How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Binance account, then go to your wallet. Open up a spot wallet and wait for it to load. On a spot wallet, just simply click on deposit and here select the option of deposit crypto. Now here you would want to select the coin, so we will simply select USDT over here. Then it will ask us to select the network. Simply select any of the network that you feel would be better, but make sure that you select the same network when selecting it on the Trust wallet. Suppose I select TRX or TRC20. So this is the address that I will get. Now I need to copy this particular address, and on Trust wallet, when I click on the option of send, I need to paste this particular address and select the same network and click on send. And after verifying your identity on Trust wallet, you would be able to send USDT from Trust wallet to Binance quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.